Hello, beautiful people. We're going to be doing another one of my favorite artists right now. His name is Mr. Bruno Mars. We're going to be doing the song I'd Catch a Grenade for You. Jump in front of a train for you. I mean, he just like, this dude is straight suicidal over this girl. I don't know who she is, but hopefully she appreciates the love. But it doesn't sound like she does, according to the lyrics. We don't care. I think it's a great song, so we're going to be learning it. So first things first, remember, when we're learning any song by ear, the first thing that we do is we figure out what key it's in. The second thing that we do is we learn the bass notes. 3, we put the normal chords that go along with those bass notes. We play the normal chords that go along with those bass notes, and that's our starting point. And I'll show you, today we're going to get into what happens when that formula doesn't always work at the very beginning. Okay, so we're going to be going outside of the key here, just to give you a warning. Here we go.
Easy come, easy go. That's just how you
Try and see.
Take it all, but you never.
That's pretty good. It almost sounds like it's in that key, except for that's outside of the key. I don't know if you can hear that. That's outside of the key. So let's try another one. Nope. D doesn't work. E flat. E flat doesn't work. Here's E. That doesn't work. Here's F. That's our key right there. F is our key. Okay, and again, when you figure out the key, that narrows down the perspective notes that you're supposed to be playing. That narrows it down from 12 to 7 notes. I mean, it big time narrows down the work you have to do when it comes to figuring out the song. So figure out the key first. Here's the second thing. Let's figure out these bass notes.
Easy come, easy go.
Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to hear the bass notes on this, so we're going to skip to another part of the song where it's a little bit easier to listen. Okay, so we had Okay, so what we have for those bass notes, 6, 3, 6, 4, and then 3 for that section. So let's take a listen. We're testing it just to make certain that that works. Okay, so that works perfectly. Now let's put the normal chords that go along with those bass notes. We have chord number 6. By the way, chords 1 through 7 in the key of F. Here's a quick review. Here's the first chord, which is major. Second is minor. Third is minor. Fourth is major. Fifth is major. Sixth is minor. 7 is diminished. Back to that 1. And those notes are F, G minor, A minor, B flat major, C, D minor, E diminished. Back to that F, which is 1. Okay, so we're putting the normal chords that go along with that for 6. Here's chord number 6. Here's bass note number 3. Here's chord number 3. 6. Bass note number 4. Chord number 4. Bass note number 3. Chord number 3. 3 is normally minor. So let's see what fits and what doesn't fit. All of that's fitting so far. That fits. That fits. That doesn't fit. I don't know if you can hear that, but that last one does not fit. Okay? Okay? So now, what do you do? What's the first thing you do when a chord doesn't fit? If it's a minor chord, try a major chord. If it's a major chord normally, try a minor chord. Try that first before you do anything else. So let's take a look here. So we're going to try a major chord, and that fit. Okay, that fit perfectly. So we got 3 major there. So let's listen to all of that again. 6 or D minor, A minor or 3, 6 or D minor. Here's B flat, which is 4, and then A, which is 3, major. And that works perfectly. So let's take a listen to the chorus. Now let's listen to this first part again. But that first section is a little bit difficult to hear. Here we go now. 6, 3, 6, 3, and then you may notice that it changed from here, which fit perfectly, and then it changed to 3 major. So it went from 3, regular 3 to 3 major for that verse part. So here's that complete verse part. I'll play it along. 6, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3 major, 6, 3, 6, 4, 3 major. Okay? Now that we got that, we got the entire verse part. Now let's listen to the chorus. What does the chorus do? Okay, let's take a listen. So let's listen to that. Is what I'm hearing for the bass part. So we got. So in terms of numbers, we have 6, 4, 1, and 5. And let's put the normal chords that go along with those numbers. We got 6, 4, 1, and 5. And let's see if that works for the first part of this chorus here. It fits perfectly. And we do that 4 times. Now it changes here. So it may sound a little tricky there, but you can get it. So that's 4 right there. 5. So 4, 5. And that's 1 right there. Three. 1, 3. 6. 5. 4. 3. All right, so here's your chorus right here, the second part of the chorus. 4, 5, 1, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3. So that's what I got right there. So 4, 5, 1, 3, 6, 4, 5. So let's put the normal chords that go along with that and see if that works. Here we go. So that's 4. Here's 5. Here is 1, 3, 6, 5, 4, and 3. Now let's see what fits and what doesn't fit. That fits. That works. All right, everything fit except for there's a couple of chords in there. Every time that we hit 3, it was wrong, okay? Now what's the alternate thing that we try? We tried the major instead of the minor. All right, we're going to try for 3, we're going to try the major instead of the minor. Let's see if it fits. Here's 4, 5, 1, 3 major, 6, 5, 4, 3 major. So, yeah, fit perfectly. Just that simple. Try the major instead of the minor. Try the minor instead of the major. Let that be the first thing you try. I'm going to give you many other ideas later on, but try those things first. So, in terms of chord calls, the chorus is, the second part of the chorus is B flat, C, F, A, D minor, C, B flat, A. Back to that D minor. Okay, so here's the entire chorus. We got 6 4 1 5 4 times, and then we got 4 5 1 3 major 6 5 4 3 major. So here's our chorus: 6 4 1 5. Here's 4, 5, 1, 3 major, 6, 5, 4, 3 major. Okay, so you got the verse and you got the chorus. Now let's see if there's any other parts in here. But you won't do the same. We got 6 and 3 so far. Yeah, so that little musical interlude is nothing but 6 and 3. Now, since we did a little melody work, listen to this melody real quick. But you won't do the same. And it's really clear there, so that's a great place to listen. Bum, 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 bum. But you won't do the same. So that's basically what they do. Maybe not perfectly, but it's so close that it doesn't even count if it's not. You got 6 and 3, and we've done inversions before, so I'm not going to explain those inversions. So let's listen for any other parts of the song. It's all the verse parts, all the same. There's the chorus, we've heard that before. There we go, here's our bridge part right here, and it changes. Now let's take a listen. But you won't do the same. So I'm hearing So let's figure out what that is. Oh, went right to it. That's 2. 6. 2 again. Okay, 3. So we got 6, 2, 6. I said 2, 6, 2, 3. Got my numbers mixed. Here we go.
But you won't do the same.
2,
Body was on fire.
6,
Ooh, you watch me burn down in flames.
2.
You said you
And this next one should be 3.
loved me, 'cause you never, ever, ever did, baby.
And it is. So let's put the normal chords that go along with that. For 2, we got G minor and 6, D minor, G minor, and then here is 3 is minor, so A minor. So let's see what fits and what doesn't fit.
But you won't do the same.
Here's our 2,
My body was on fire.
6,
Ooh, you watch me burn down in flames.
2,
You said you loved me, you're a liar, 'cause you never, ever
that doesn't fit.
did, baby.
Okay, so that 3 minor, didn't like that 3 minor, so let's, what's the first thing we try? We try making it major first, okay? So let's make it major, see if that fits.
But you won't do the same.
2,
Body was on fire.
6,
Ooh, you watch me burn down in flames.
here's 2,
You said you loved me, you're a liar,
3 major.
ever, ever did, baby.
That's perfect. That's exactly what the song called for. So, okay. All right, so let's see what else is going on here.
Did, baby.
We've heard that before. Okay, now that's a little different right there. Is what I'm hearing.
But darling,
That's what I'm hearing right there. Maybe a little difficult because it's not really accenting the bass part here, but just trust me. So what you have for this little musical interlude part, it goes 6, 4, 3 major, and we've heard that before. So let's see if there's anything different. We've heard all of this before. No surprises here. 3, 6, 3. Just stop right there. So 6-3, 6-3 for that ending. So here's the entire song. The entire song, just as a review. I'll just do the 3 parts real quick. The 3 main parts. We got the verse part, which is 6, 3, 6, 3, then 3 major. Then it goes back to 6, 3, 6, 4, 3 major. Here's the chorus, and then 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5. Do it again. 6, 4, 1, 5. Then it goes 4, 5, 1, 3 major, 6, 5, 4, 3 major. Then for that bridge it goes 2, Alpha heart's on fire. 6, you let me burn down in flames. 2, 4. Actually, no, it goes 3 major. Ever, ever, ever did. Then a couple of interludes, which is what we discussed earlier. So go ahead and follow that procedure that we just covered, and you'll be surprised at how quickly you'll pick apart some of these songs. Again, you know, I slowed it way down. Like when I'm as this music is playing, I just hear what it is automatically at this point. Like my ears on autopilot for a lot of these popular songs, and I want the same thing to happen to you. So again, the order is to figure out what key you're in, and even you'll notice that with this song, we started out on 6 and 3. The tonal center of the song was here, even though it was in a major key. It was basically it was a minor song for the verse part. Then it moves into major for the chorus. But I don't want you to think of this 6, even though it's a tonal center. I don't want you to think of that as 1. I want you to think of that as 6. Compare everything to the major scale, and it will save you a lot of time, especially when we get into, basically, let me let you know that it'll save you a lot of time in the future if you just relate everything to the major scale. Okay? Listen to the bass, then figure out what key you're in, figure out the bass notes, then play the natural chords that go along with those bass notes. And then if the natural chords don't work, you know, try switching major and minor.